Most people think strength only comes from heavy weights and endless reps. But what if I told you that some of the most powerful moves don't require a single repetition? These are isometric strength exercises, a muscle-building secret almost no one talks about. By simply holding your body under constant tension, you can skyrocket strength, improve endurance, protect your joints, and build serious muscle without fancy equipment. Yet 99% of people skip them. In this video, I'll show you the 5 most powerful isometric exercises that can transform your strength, stability, and performance faster than you think. Before starting this video, let me know which country you are watching from. 1 plank holds. Imagine lying on the floor, elbows planted, body straight as a board. Seconds feel like minutes. Your core shakes, your arms burn, and sweat drips down your face. This is the plank hold, one of the most underrated isometric strength exercises in the world. No reps, no weights, just pure tension and focus. It proves that real muscle building without movement is possible. With every breath, you're not just holding still, you're building rock-solid abs, a stronger back, and unshakable mental grit. Among all isometric strength exercises, the plank hold stands out because it challenges both body and mind. If you want powerful muscle building without movement, this is where your journey begins. 2 push-ups holds. Imagine lowering yourself into a push-up and freezing at the toughest point, arms shaking, chest burning, core locked in place. That moment isn't weakness, it's power. This is one of the most underrated isometric strength exercises, the push-up hold. Instead of endless reps, you're forcing every muscle fiber to fire at once, unlocking true muscle building without movement. It feels humbling at first, like time is standing still, but with each second, your strength and endurance climb. The push-up hold proves that real growth doesn't always require motion. By mastering this, you'll experience why isometric strength exercises are the secret to unstoppable progress and how some muscle building without movement can completely transform your body. 3 wall sits. Imagine sitting in a chair, but without the chair. Your legs start to burn, your core tightens, and your mind screams to quit. That's the magic of wall sits, one of the most underrated isometric strength exercises. You're not moving an inch, yet your quads, glutes, and core are working harder than you realize. This is true muscle building without movement, where pure tension sculpts strength and endurance. Wall sits teach mental toughness, discipline, and focus while building rock-solid legs. Among all isometric strength exercises, this simple hold delivers massive results. If you want real muscle building without movement, start with wall sits and feel the fire that transforms weakness into unstoppable strength. 4 dead hang. Picture yourself hanging from a pull-up bar, arms locked, body still, gravity pulling you down. At first, it feels simple, just holding on. But within seconds, your grip burns, your shoulders tighten, and your entire core comes alive. This is the dead hang hold, one of the most underrated isometric strength exercises. It doesn't need endless reps or weights. It's pure muscle building without movement. Athletes use it to unlock grip power, fix posture, and bulletproof their shoulders. Yet, most people ignore it. The truth, holding this position trains your mind as much as your muscles. If you're serious about muscle building without movement, the dead hang is where real strength begins with isometric strength exercises. 5 glutes bridges. Imagine lying on your back, feet planted, and slowly lifting your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Now, instead of lowering down, you hold that position. This is the glute bridge hold, a powerhouse among isometric strength exercises. Your glutes, hamstrings, and core ignite, building stability and strength without a single rep. True muscle building without movement. It's more than just toning. This hold improves posture, eases lower back pain, and restores hip function that daily sitting destroys. Athletes rely on it to generate explosive power for running, jumping, and lifting. What makes it even more powerful is its simplicity. You can do it anywhere, no equipment needed. If you're chasing stronger hips, a stable core, and lasting strength, this is the isometric strength exercise you can't afford to skip. If you want results from isometric strength exercises, focus on proper form and controlled breathing. Start with short holds, around 20 to 30 seconds, and gradually increase your time as your endurance builds. For true muscle building without movement, engage the target muscles fully instead of just going through the motions. Stay consistent. Adding these static holds 3 to 4 times a week can skyrocket your strength and stability. Remember, isometric strength exercises don't need heavy weights. Your body is the resistance. With dedication, you'll experience serious muscle building without movement, boosting power, protecting joints, and transforming your body over time. By the way, friends, see you soon for more information.